and I have the great pleasure to chair the next session on behalf of the Medical Image Analysis Network. So I'm part of that network. We've been here before and talked a little bit about this MedIAN, and I would like to just give you a very brief overview of what that network is about, and then we will have a series of nice talks from people who are associated with this network. But basically the idea is to hopefully convince you that you should all sign up and become members of MedIAN. So MedIAN is an EPSRC funded network. It's it aims to be the UK's national medical image analysis network, and combines the community of people working on medical image analysis. We organize a couple of events. We do have certain types of funding mechanisms, in particular for PhD and postdocs, to do, for instance, exchanges between institutes. And we also have a website, and this website is aiming to be some sort of portal or platform where people who are interested in medical image analysis to have a look what's going on in the UK. There are lots of people already registered. We have a couple of hundred people who signed up and created a profile. And to give you a little bit of background, so this MedIAN is one of 8 networks that have been set up in 2014. As I said, it's EPSRC funded. This is the current steering committee. So Alison Noble from Oxford is leading these efforts. And some reasons why you might want to join. So generally, for who is MedIAN? It's really for everyone interested in medical image analysis, but in particular, of course, academics, clinicians, and industry. So we have lots of companies already signed up. As a company, you can even sign up with a company profile, and so you're visible there, and you can post jobs if you want. Of course, academics can do the same, post PhD positions or RA positions. A network profile on the website would look something like this. So check it out. It's MedIAN AC UK. There's a nice map where you should see all the flags of people who have already signed up with the network. It's hopefully a way where you can be part of this UK community. We also have people from outside the UK signed up, but the focus really is to strengthen the collaborations within the UK. You can promote your research. You can talk about your research there. You can have blog posts. So if you're already a blogger and you want to have a little bit more visibility, you can put posts there on the website. As I said, you can post job posts and news items. You can promote events. So if you're organizing an event, you can put it there, and it appears in the list. And yeah, so on the event side, so we do organize a couple of events every year, and a lot of this is focusing on early career researchers. So we are trying to promote events that bring early career research together, that do some training, some skill development, but also a lot of fun stuff. So last year, for instance, we organized the first MedIAN Code Fest, which was held at Imperial College London, which brought many PhD and early career researchers together for 2 days and doing some sort of medical imaging hackathon. So they worked on a couple of projects. We had 2 main themes: augmented reality, virtual reality, and deep learning. And most of the people wanted to do deep learning that day. But it was interesting to basically have like these randomly allocated groups of people working together and coming up with really nice, interesting stuff. And many of those people then stayed in touch and continued doing research together. We had an early career researcher sandpit, again focusing on developing innovation and collaboration skills. These are just some images how a typical hackathon looks like. Of course, there's lots of pizza, but also you see that people hopefully really enjoyed this event. We are aiming to have another one. It's not clear yet whether we have a Code Fest in 2018 or maybe next year, but that is one of the things we do. We also organize tutorials, so we had a MedIAN sponsored tutorial at the Medical Image Understanding and Analysis Conference. And we also have very close links to the MICAI community, where we also try to promote what's happening in the UK at an international level. This year we have an event, and I do realize that this date clashes with one of the events that was promoted earlier by the other network. This one, so Big Data and Imaging, is also on 24th of May. It's in Oxford, so hopefully we may be aiming at different audiences. I guess nobody really wants to travel from Oxford and Cambridge and back. That's almost impossible. But so there's another event, Big Data and Imaging. We have a couple of invited speakers. It's a free event. You can sign up on the MedIAN website and just go there and join the day. As I said, on the website you find jobs. This is the main contact. This is all on the website as well. Just to give you an idea what else is happening. MedIAN is active on Twitter. If you use Twitter and you would like to have lots of retweets, then follow MedIAN UK or tweet something about MedIAN UK. They will follow you for the rest of your life, and they will retweet everything you do. That's the idea. So please do join. You can do this now.